What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 2002R from the hiking pack in this beige colorway. Today's video is sponsored by who else? The good people from Heffalux. Heffalux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which really is the same material you'll find inside Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for anyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffalux for years now, and I find them to be very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGO at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is my latest pickup, which is the New Balance 2002R, which is part of what people refer to as the hiking pack. So these release alongside a brown leather pair along with a black pair as well, and I managed to grab these for a deep discount over at Seneca Sneakers down in the US. So the retail price for this shoe was originally $140 US or $180 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is actually Calm Taupe and Raw Amethyst, and the style code for this shoe is M2002RWL. So we all know how popular the New Balance 2002R is these days. And because of that popularity, the brand has released a ton of variations. So we have leather pairs, we have suede and nubuck pairs, and of course we have the Refined Future or Protection Pack. But this one takes a different approach, giving us more of a hiking shoe vibe while still retaining the look and the character of the 2002R. So diving into the details of this sneaker, so the toe box of the shoe, this base layer, this is constructed out of this tan colored suede, and we have these perforations forming the shape of almost a diamond. Right above this, we have the New Balance N logo embroidered in pink, and we have these suede overlays on either side of the toe box. And right beneath this, we have this olive green hit of nubuck. Surrounding the front toe cap, here we have a rubberized protective overlay, which gives you added durability and protection if you're actually wearing these to hike, or at the least if you're wearing these for wet or slushy weather. The side panels of the toe box, instead of suede, this is covered in mesh, which is much more like your normal 2002R. And the eyelets here are changed from your normal 2002R. So the bottom four eyelets are done in this metallic silver circular fashion, and we have this hiking boot inspired hook style lace for the top two eyelets, which are also done in this metallic silver finish. Beneath this, we have this purple New Balance N logo, which is embroidered in the center with this gray colored stitching. And then next to this, surrounding the top portion of the ankle collar area, we have this pink colored mesh, which is followed by more of that tan colored suede, and we have 2002R branding debossed on the lateral side. Surrounding the bottom of the heel, we have this dark tan colored nubuck, and this overlay here is completely perforated. And right above this, we have this rounded triangular overlay, which is covered in this pink colored detailing, and we have these three symbols of a circle, a triangle, and a squiggly line, which I'm not 100% sure what this is supposed to represent, so if anyone watching knows what these three symbols are meant to be, drop a comment down below. In terms of laces, so these come with two different lace options. The standard or default lace is an oval-shaped lace done in this vintage-looking pink color, and these have much more of a trail or a hiking-inspired look compared to the standard flat laces. In addition to the pink laces, they also give you a gray-colored lace as well. Underneath this, so for the tongue, the bottom half is constructed using a mesh material, and we have this olive green nubuck overlay towards the middle, which is followed by this tan-colored suede on top. And in the middle, we have the circular cutout revealing the New Balance branding done in a combination of gray and pink. So the back of the tongue and the inner liner of the shoe is lined in a dark gray colored textile. And then as for the insoles, so these come with their standard foam line insole, and we have New Balance running branding stamped on the heel. So the upper of these 2002Rs sits atop this vintage looking foam midsole, which is constructed using a combination of Absorb and Absorb SBS. We have a bold magenta colored hit right on the forefoot. And in addition, the midsole also incorporates New Balance Energy technology, which are these gel-like pillars which are visible on the lateral side of the heel, and this helps with impact protection and shock absorption. Finally, turning this pair over to the bottom, so the outsole here is constructed out of a combination of dark gray and olive green colored rubber. We have this diamond-shaped traction pattern on the forefoot, along with these grooves to give you added flexibility, and in the middle we have this vintage-looking shank plate, which is what New Balance calls their stability web technology, and this is there to help with torsional rigidity and mid-foot support. So that breaks down the look and the construction of this pair. And for those wondering about sizing, to me these fit like any other New Balance 2002R, so for most people I recommend sticking true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me absolutely perfectly. So whatever your foot actually measures as on a branding device, I'd stick with that same size for this pair as well. Moving on to the comfort, so I've said this in all my reviews, but the 2002R, in my humble opinion, is one of the most comfortable shoes on the market. It gives you a good balance of softness and support, so it's not going to be overly soft and mushy, but at the same time there is that step-in comfort straight out of the box. So if you're looking for a shoe that you can wear for many hours in a day, or just an everyday shoe, then I would definitely recommend this 2002R silhouette. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so first off, this is a made in China New Balance shoe, and I know sometimes made in Asia New Balances get a bad rap, but this pair, I thought the quality of the materials was very, very solid. The suede felt pretty soft and buttery. It wasn't the best suede I've seen on a New Balance shoe, but for the price point you're paying, you're definitely getting solid materials. And the build and craftsmanship was really solid as well. I really had no flaws, no issues at all with this pair, which is how it should be, but it's not often the case when it comes to these mass-produced shoes from big brands. So with all that out of the way now, let's toss these on feet and I'll show you guys how these look. Of the three pairs in this hiking pack, this was the one that really caught my eye since the initial images leaked. The brown pair looks too much of a hiking shoe to me, and the black pair I just can't get with. But I thought the combination of the tans, the purple, and the pink really worked well together on this model. I understand that this is not an actual hiking shoe. I'm sure the traction pattern probably isn't the best. And this is much more of a hiking inspired lifestyle shoe. But I think given the current season and the weather being fall and the transition to winter, this is a very solid option for a casual use shoe. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this hiking pack New Balance 2002R. And are you a fan of the changes they incorporated on this model, or do you prefer more of a classic New Balance 2002R instead? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on my Instagram page at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.